So price today managed to gap up here and hold tight consolidation at 600, then held support immediately here at pivot point and rallied back up. Now found resistance initially here. Let's see if we have a continuation to the upside or if this is just going to collapse. So price retested here once more 600 and held support. Let's see now if this breakout will prove to be the case, and then we have a move higher to up to 660s. Price managed to hold support here after this initial rally at the open. Now let's see how it will behave here at Friday's open price, if it will find any resistance, or how it will behave here at 700. Okay, so price rallied almost 100 plus points straight up. Let's see if this kind of resistance here at 90s will prove to be the case and we have a further downside, or if it's just going to hold support and goes even higher. So we had a straight up move here at the moment. Initially held support at its opening price, rallied straight up, consolidation here at 600, then support at pivot point at 600 retest, then straight up move. Let's see now if this kind is just going to consolidate sideways and then go further upside, or if it's just going to collapse back down. Let's have a look here on the daily chart. So we just broke out Friday's high and failed to retest yet Thursday's high. So let's see if this is just going to consolidate here and then sells back below, or if it's just going to hold and we have further upside this week. So let's see, this could be a very good short opportunity for continuation to the downside, but again we'll see how this will play out. Price managed to rally up 170 points or something. Now kind of topped out here. Let's see if this consolidation will prove to be a retest pullback at 700s, and then even lower at Friday's open price here at 680s or at 660s. Let's see how this will play out and if we have this kind of formation, or if we just consolidate sideways and then build value higher. So just to see the scale here, price opened at 550s and rallied in 2 hours up to 800s. Let's see if we have any kind of pullback here until Friday's high, or even lower to 700s. Price just consolidating sideways and made the kind of lows here since its top. Let's see if it consolidates here. This is Friday's high and this is Thursday's high, last week's. So let's see if we have any kind of retest and failure up here, or if it's just going to consolidate sideways. This is overextended at the moment. This is the first hour of cash market open with an average move of this size, 92 points. Today had 204 points, so more than double. But again, the more time price spends above or between these 700s and 800s, the higher probability will go further upside. So let's see. Price just failed to make a new high after this kind of consolidation here and perfect resistance here at 800s. Let's see now how it will behave here at 700s and 690s, and if it goes further downside. So we had a flash move to the downside with volume spike. This is my automated strategy which signals a reversal when volume spikes up to 500 or more. Let's see now if this resistance will fail and we have further upside, or if we're just going to continue further downside. So we're a few minutes to the US session. Let's see today this very aggressive upward in especially the first hour of cash market open, 200 points or more. Resistance here at 200, at 800s, failure to break above, then gradually sold off down to 700. This could be very good short, just risk 10 points and gain 100 or more. So let's see if this low will be retested at the US session and we have this kind of pattern and then higher prices, or if it's just going to hold here at 700 and go higher, or the other scenario is to go straight up find a kind of double top here and then sell back down, but again we'll see, could just consolidate sideways. So let's see. So we can see immediately flash down move here and support with volume spike relatively to 700. Let's see now if this will be a gradual move to the upside for a 800 retest. So price failed to hold this kind of support and continue higher. Held resistance here at its US cash open price, broke down 700s, retested resistance then lower. Let's see now how it will behave here at 650s and then how it will behave at 600s and if it goes down there. Price sold off here and broke equilibrium line of today's initial balance, very big, 204 points. So let's see, this is perfect resistance if we manage to hold and trade below and then goes even lower. We'll like to see how this low will play out. Price selling off here, initial rally here, then failed to hold above. Sold off below 700s, clear resistance here 3 minutes below on failure. So let's see now if this previous resistance will become support and have something like this, or if we will just sell back down to 600s. Price consolidating sideways here, but the more it holds below this equilibrium line here, the higher probability will go further downside and will visit 600s. If on the other hand breaks above and hold support, then will likely go further upside, but with this lack of momentum and liquidity, I think this is just going to consolidate sideways, so let's see. So price took its time here and held resistance here clearly at the equilibrium line multiple times. Now broke down initial support for the US session, sold off. Let's see if we will sell off here at 600s and if we will find any support, so I would like to buy it for this kind of reversal, let's say. So let's see. Price sold off gradually here down to 600s, almost touched it and held support with volume spike. Let's see if we have any flash down move or if this one could be a possible upside from here. But again, we need to see a flash down move with volume spike greater than this one. So let's see. Okay, so that was exactly what I meant here. Flash down move. Let's see how much the volume spiked here after this 1 minute candle close and if we manage to hold any support here and then we'll go higher. Let's see. Yeah, almost previous volume spike, so let's see if this will hold. So we can see here very methodical selling. Once this kind of consolidation here broke down, then we have a straight down move. Let's see if it goes down to today's open price and then hold support, or how long will stay for this downtrend. If you would like to see today's price action into perspective, we just rallied aggressively up to 800 and then retraced the whole move. Now we are now down to 570s. If we go below 550s, then we will make a new low for the day. This is when we have illiquid markets. Price moves up very easily for anyone who wants to manipulate it, then retrace this all the way down. So let's see how much down can it go. If you would like to see the daily chart here once again, as I said, we saw it earlier in this video during the morning, then this could be a very good short opportunity even for intraday or for higher time frame. So what happened today is we gapped up, rallied, and now we retraced all the move back. Let's see if this support will prove to be a good long opportunity or if we will have any new low. So let's see here the correlation with Euro USD, Euro Dollar. To see how inverse correlated it is, you can see here very methodical buying while DAX had very methodical selling. So let's see now if this kind of area here will hold the support for a pullback, a rebound here up to 600s. This is a day's open price. So this is where price just rallied straight from the open this morning. So let's see. Price here began showing some strength against this kind of very methodical selling. Let's see how much will hold here and if it goes even higher at 600 or if it just consolidates below and break days open price and goes further downside. So just to see the scale here of this intraday swing, very 200 point up, 300 point down from the high down here to 500. Let's see if this kind of volume buying here, this kind of signals will lead us to have any slower move gradually up to 550s or if it's just going to sell back down. Again here the daily chart, you can see here what happened today from the upper span. We rallied 200 points up and then we made a new low for the day. Let's see how this will play out.